Breaking news coming in right now. We're coming to know that schools in Delhi and Noida have received fresh bomb threats. That is right. Big update coming in right now, viewers. And I'll just read through what is the information that Republic TV has got for you. Schools in Delhi and Noida have received fresh bomb threats. Ehelkon Public School in Delhi's Mayur Vihar also has received the messages. And also this school, Ehelkon Public School, has told its students not to report to school. The bomb disposal squad of East District was informed accordingly, and the SHO Pandav Nagar along with staff have reached the school. Not just schools. Delhi University's St. Stephen College has also received a bomb threat message. So big update coming in right now. And we are also getting some reactions from the ground. Let's go ahead and play them out.
जब मैं बच्चे को लेकर आया तो गार्ड ने बोले कि आज ऑनलाइन हो गए और इससे पहले कोई मैसेज नहीं, चाहे कोई जानकारी नहीं था।
गार्ड ने सिर्फ इतना बोला कि आज ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई होगी।
हाँ,
स्कूल में बच्चे को आने नहीं दिया।
नहीं जाने नहीं दिया। हाँ, फिर मैं वापस 8:30 बजे।
8:30 बजे।
हाँ,
तो आपको बताया नहीं गया किस वजह से?
नहीं, ये नहीं बताया।
हाँ, यहाँ पर हम जैसे बच्चे को लेके आ रहे थे तो यहाँ मतलब आज ऑनलाइन क्लास ही होगा। छुट्टी है, घर से छुट्टी है, स्कूल से छुट्टी है। आप ऑनलाइन क्लास कर के लेके जाओ बच्चे को।
ये बोला गया।
हाँ, ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए।
वजह उसकी बताई गई?
नहीं, वजह नहीं बताई गई। देखिए, डर तो होता है पर ये बहुत गलत है। हमेशा बच्चों की छुट्टी हो जाती है और अफवाह ज़्यादा होता है, सच्चाई नहीं होती, अफवाह ज़्यादा होता है। पर स्कूल का भी मजबूरी है कि अगर मान लो बच्चे को पढ़ा अंदर ले भी लेते हैं, किसी तरह हादसा हो गया फिर स्कूल बदनाम हो जाएगा। तो स्कूल की मजबूरी है कि बच्चे को।
Let's go straight to my colleague from the ground. Piyush Ori is getting us all those updates. Piyush, take our viewers through what has happened and also which schools have received this threat mail. Remember that this is nothing new. We have seen in the past how a lot of Delhi and Noida schools have received bomb threat emails. Yes, Piyush.
So Shivangi, what I can tell you is that the bomb hoax messages being received in schools and even hospitals is nothing new. But what is new this time is that this time these mischievous elements have targeted the prestigious St. Stephen's College in Delhi University. And it seems that this is for the first time when St. Stephen's College has been targeted by these mischievous elements. And as you can see from the visuals which are being given to you by my video journalist Vijay Surinder Saji, that there is now a bomb disposal team of Delhi police which have come over here. And also there are some students of St. Stephen's College which are over here. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to try having a word with them and try asking them what they feel. Do you have any idea of what has happened? Why have you been asked to be?
Apparently there's a bomb threat in college. So we've been asked to stay outside from people inside the college. Towards the football field, stay outside of the main college campus.
How was the message received? How was it told to you that is a hoax message which has been received? Like it was told to you by the management? It was told to you by the management?
I'm not entirely sure.
Okay. You would like to say something?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so you just heard that how the students over here just mentioned that they received a message from the team over here at St. Stephen's College of how there was a bomb hoax message. So again, I would just request my video journalist to just show the visuals. The surveillance, the checking is still being done. But again, as I said, this is for the first time when St. Stephen's has received this message, and the mischievous elements continue to target schools, hospitals, and now even prominent colleges of Delhi University.